In this video, I'll walk you through how to create both a payable expense schedule and a payable liability schedule, step by step. Let's begin by navigating to the Payable Schedules view. From the action card, select Platform to open a blank workspace. Next, go to Aspects menu, choose Accounting, then Payable, and then Payable Schedules. Add a payable expense schedule. To enter a new expense type, right-click a category and select Add Schedule from the menu. In the Schedule panel, enter a name for your schedule. For example, 6001 Supplies. Then choose from the chart of account tree below. Alternately, you can skip the name entry. Select the Expense Radio button and choose the chart of account from the chart of account tree. Or, a third method, enter the account number in the lookup field. In all three methods, the system adds the schedule for you. I will now show you how to create a split schedule. We will again right-click on the category and select Add Schedule from the menu. We'll enter a name for the schedule, and this time when we select from the chart of account tree, we'll select multiple expense accounts. In this example, we'll select Utilities Retail, Office, and Personal Use. For each selected account, we'll select the Debit Radio button and then adjust the percentage field amount. For this example, we'll enter 60% for retail operations, 30% for office, and 10% personal use. You'll now see a balanced schedule displayed in the schedule tree item description. This schedule is complete. Finish by selecting the Save action. Adding a liability schedule. You can either add a new liability category or simply add a schedule wherever you prefer. Select Add Schedule from the menu. In the schedule tree item description, enter a name, or if you prefer, select the chart of accounts, for example, Loan Payable, twice using the chart of account tree selection method. COR will automatically fill in the name field and create a second schedule item to balance the first, ensuring accurate accounting without extra steps. Select the Liability Radio button and select the Save button. And that's it. You successfully created both a payable expense schedule and a payable liability schedule and correct. These schedules make it easy to manage expenses and liabilities while keeping your accounting accurate and efficient. Thank you for watching.